Hey, what's up, everybody? Cletus T. Judd down here at the Bill Cole Automall with my buddy Matt. Matt has pulled up one of the sweetest rides I've seen down here in a long time. They're all sweet. This is probably one of the sweetest, isn't it? The Ford F-150. This is a Lariat, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And I'm gonna tell us a little bit about this bad boy. First of all, I want to show this interior because it is sweet. I like the two-tone too.
The two-tone seats are really nice. Comes through with the heated, cooled seats for a smooth, enjoyable ride.
Oh, that's awesome. I thought this sucker had some heating and cool seats right there. And the two-tone is cool. What kind of gas mileage this bad boy get?
You're gonna sit around probably low 20s.
That's not bad. Not bad at all. I like this color too. Is there a name for this color? Somebody come down here and wanted to ask for this. What's this called?
Space gray.
Space gray. Got the upgraded package, wheels, and the Pirellis. You can't ride around in a brand new F-150 Lariat without the Pirelli, so they didn't hold back no expenses on this bad boy, did they?
No, sir.
All right, you want to buy this thing? Come on down. If you got to go do some shopping, look around thinking you're going to find a better deal, guess what? You ain't. You'll get the best deal, Bill Cole Automall. So come on down, check with Matt. We'll put you in the F-150 4x4 Lariat, heated and cool seats. I may buy it myself, but I ain't got no credit. Not bad. All right, y'all have a good day. Thanks, Matt.